got here my Yamaha MT-07 2015 model. It's also called an FZ-07 or FZ-07 if you're in America. Pretty sure the 2015, 16, 17, 18, etc. are all the same. Going to be replacing the rear shock because the shock that comes on the bike from the factory is shit. And if you've got one of these, you probably already know that. I've used car axle stands to prop underneath where the foot pegs, the passenger foot pegs, would normally be. It's pretty sturdy. So what I'll be putting in is one of these K-Tech Razor Lites. The Lite version is the one that only has rebound adjustment. They say three-way, but the other two ways of adjustment is spring height, preload, etc. And you can adjust the length of the shock there. So yeah, this is a pretty cheap option compared to your Ohlins and whatever else. But yeah, it'd be interesting to see how that performs compared to the standard shock. Right, let's slap this thing on. Right, so looks like to me, take this plastic cover off and then get to the bottom bolt of the shock there, and the top bolt, which is the chassis mounted bolt, is easy to access. So start by taking this cover off. So lengthwise these look the same, bolt diameter is the same. I'll check that the width between the bushes is the same. It looks to be. Without putting any verniers on it, I'd say that's pretty close. And likewise for the bracket at the bottom. So simple as. These K-Tech shocks, you choose it based on your weight range, and I get a valved and sprung to suit that range of weight. So 4 or 5 different versions, I think. Simple. Right, fire this thing in there. Okay, so time for it to go back in. Put a bit of anti-seize on your bolts. The frame one wasn't stuck, but it was a little bit corroded, so a bit of anti-seize will not hurt. Pretty amazing, they go in so easy. So everything just bolts straight in, no modifications. Just got to tighten everything up. So there it is, all fitted. It was pretty easy. 2 14mm head bolts and 2 socket screws there. I undid that guard just to make it easy to get to the bolt at the bottom, and pretty much just fell out, so too easy. Do a bit of a running video so you compare the new shock to the old shock. Hopefully there'll be a difference, but I don't imagine I'm putting the old one back in.